Hi there, welcome to Grain TV. It's Tuesday, July 26th, a mixed day in the markets. Let's take a look at GrainEdge's trading platform and see where we closed. In Chicago, corn finished the day 2 cents lower, while front month August beans were up 9 3/4, and Chicago wheat continuing to get pummeled, losing 12 3/4 today. News today was pretty light. We continue to trade what looks to be a large crop for corn and beans. All other news out today, there was some news out of South America as farmers there are starting to look forward to their planting season, and some analysts there expect soybean acres in Brazil to be up 2%, which is not good news overall. Obviously, anything that leads to more supplies is just going to be more gunpowder, if you will, for the bears in this market. That if you see an increase of about 2% in Brazil, that means next year's crop in 2016-17 would be somewhere between 98 and 108 million metric tons. That's up from this year's number that's somewhere around 96 to 98, depending on where the final estimates range from. Other news, rainfall looks to be pretty prevalent over the next 10 days in much of the Midwest. Let's take a look at this sort of map from the National Weather Service that shows precipitation anomalies for August, and you can see in green where they are expecting better than normal precipitation, which covers much of the plains and the western corn belt. So that will be good for farmers looking for improved yields, and obviously bad for the market prices. Today was another day down in corn. We've kind of continued to sort of grind lower. As we take a look at this long-term nearby corn chart that's on a weekly basis from the GrainEdge trading platform, you can see, for much of the time period, we've used 350 as a floor on this market. That's where the sort of long-term support has been over the last year and a half. But after penetrating below that, September is now trading in that 333, 335 range, and our next site is probably, unfortunately, going to be the low back in 2014 at 318. I wouldn't be surprised to see us touch that eventually, maybe not right away, but certainly with the size of the crop looking to be very large. There is the potential for us to continue to grind lower. So if you're a farmer, that's potentially another downside target we have here. Make sure you've got your protection in place, because we may have more punishing prices as we move forward into harvest. That's all we've got for today on Grain TV. As always, if you want to learn more about our trading services, visit us online at grainedge.com to learn how we can help you in your own grain marketing situation. As a GrainEdge trading client, you'll get our technical alerts email first thing every trading day. Technical Alerts is a powerful system that generates quality trading opportunities. Each trading opportunity shows a chart and analysis providing clear price targets and risk potential. Technical Alerts look at historical chart formations and compare the current environment to the past to form concrete trading recommendations. The commodities covered by Technical Alerts includes grains, livestock, crude oil, currencies, bonds, and metals. Start your trading day with the most powerful insight into market direction and improve your trading today. Sign up at grainedge.com to become a client.